What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Car Venture Reg, and y'all see that we at the G35 right now. Today is the day we get the rims changed, man. These got to go today. And you know, I got my boy Jay right here. He gonna help me with the rims, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it's gonna be a whole new look, man. It's gonna be a whole new look.
I ain't gonna lie. These ones gotta go, man.
It gotta go, huh?
Gotta go, man.
I never really did like these rims. I ain't gonna lie. I never really did like these rims. I don't know. It kind of grew on me for a little bit, but I don't know. I don't really like them.
I mean, they're alright for what it is.
Yeah.
But
it's time.
Can use the upgrade, yeah.
It's time.
Oh, yeah. And it's not even an upgrade. You just going back to the original.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Going back. Oh, wait. We can't give him that. You feel me? Not yet.
Yeah, my fault.
I'm gonna need y'all to watch the video, but he gave y'all a little hint. He gave y'all a little hint though, so. I'll be keeping it. He gave y'all a little hint, so, and I got this do-rag on with the hoodie on, cause you know it's kind of cold right now. So, but we gonna start both of the cars, and I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little cold start. Y'all can see G37 started. G35 is over there running. Gotta warm both of the babies up. You know what I'm saying? Gotta run them off. We just waiting for one person. This one person is always late. And I'm gonna turn the camera back on when he comes. You late. That's what I gotta call you out for. Big Dre is late. Look at the time, y'all. Hey. Yesterday.
Pick up a jersey.
he had to go pick up a jersey.
He's gonna buy a jersey.
Hey, yesterday he talked about, hey, make sure your cars is warmed up, cause you know we gotta be there exactly at 10 o'clock, and we gonna leave. You know, make sure everything is good.
Why you bringing up bullshit, man?
He said, make sure everything is good, because when I come, we gotta just go and leave. And look what time it is, y'all. Let me see. It's 10:19. He said he was gonna be here exactly at 10 o'clock. Jay beat him.
Look, I live down the street, though.
That's crazy. Hey, yesterday, oh yeah, I'm gonna leave at 9:20, so I should be there at 9:45. Nah, it's all good. Thank y'all for rocking with me, but we gotta go, and then we I'm gonna, you know, go ahead and hook y'all up with some B-roll on the freeway. So Dre in that G37, and I'm in the G35, and we out. On the way to go pick up them rims. Look at that. Look at that thing go. Woo! Ain't go crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm gonna take this do-rag off in a minute, but it's kind of neat to have two Infinitis. I ain't gonna lie, it is hella clean to have two Infinitis. But like I said, we on our way to the destination right now. And yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I think this is gonna be the first time you actually see both of my cars in one video. And I plan on doing more videos with both of the cars. Don't even worry about it. There's content coming up with both of the cars, but let me kind of get the G35 looking right to how the way I want it, you know, with the little things that I'm doing, because I got more parts on the way for the G35. I don't want to tell y'all, but it's gonna be pretty nice, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I already got the steering tube in there, you know, little by little, you know, we piecing it together. So stay tuned onto the channel, man. Stay tuned onto the channel, man. I ain't gonna lie, I just smoked my G37. That's crazy. I just smoked the G37. I'm trying to tell y'all that this car got hidden power, bruh. This car got, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. The feet. The feet. show you a little something, man. Man. Big 35, man. Big 35. Big 35. Big 35. Big 35. Big 35. The feet. The feet. I ain't gonna lie, that shit sound good though. Ooh, you see the dial dynamics? Ooh. Watching over them pots. Car cleaner. All that window, all that noise. Yeah, bro. G37 clean. People gotta stop underestimating this car, though, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. This car got hidden power. This car got hidden power, and it's so light too. Man, I was out on the G37. I ain't gonna lie. I said running. I said running. Running. He was like, "You sure?" I said, "Come on, bro. You know what I mean." Running. Ate him for breakfast, bro. I don't know if it's because he can't really drive. Is that why I beat him? I don't know. But I beat him. Nah, but that was funny though. I didn't get it on camera, but that was funny. But yeah, y'all. On our way over there right now, man. We on the freeway. The next clip y'all should see is me with the rims. So stay tuned to the whole video. Please watch the whole video. It helps me out, helps the algorithm out. You know, I'm doing big things on this channel, y'all. Support me. Support. That's all I need is y'all support. So go ahead and like the video. There's a couple of ads. Go ahead and watch the ads for me, you know what I'm saying? If you really support me. And watch the full video. And if you want to, leave a comment. That also helps too, but really watching the whole video. So help me out, and I can continue giving y'all some good content like this. So yeah. So as y'all can see, I got the OEM. I believe these are the 2005 or 2006 Infiniti wheels. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on those. And I got a lot of plans for these wheels, so stay tuned. But we gotta hurry up and get to America's Tires because Dre hungry and shit. And nah, but we finna go to America's Tires and see it, because it's a nail in one of these tires that I'll show y'all when we get there, but it's a little nail, so I'm gonna see if they can fix it, because these are actually like really good tires. Like, they're not really worn at all. So my plan was to buy new tires for it, but I ain't finna spend $900 if I ain't got to, you feel me? Reg always trying to say that buck. So yep, we finna be on our way over there. As you can see, there's another one in the back of the G35. So I got two in there, and two in here. He revving that thing up. That thing sound good, huh, y'all? But yeah, I think these are the front ones. So finna go ahead and we're gonna, you know what I'm saying? We finna go crazy. So let's be on our way right now. Defeat.
Hey, are they gonna charge extra for you to take the nail out?
Sometimes they fix it for free. So
like $50, $25.
yeah, I'm pretty sure they're gonna charge something to put these wheels on. So yeah. With that, I don't know. Hopefully it's like $100 or something like that. Yeah. Some slight. If I have to buy new tires though for the back or wherever those tires are, I'll buy 2 today and 2 later on. But I'm not gonna buy all 4 today.
Why is it bad condition?
I don't know if it's too close to the sidewall, so I gotta see if they could fix that. But y'all ready?
Let's go.
We out. Y'all wouldn't believe how my day went, man. Like, you know, I went to go buy the tires, you know, real happy and stuff, and now I'm real sad. Well, my pockets is sad because I had to spend extra money. I had to buy 2 new tires, as y'all can see right here. I had to buy 2 new tires because they couldn't fix another one. One had a run flat on there already, so I had to buy 2 new tires, and now I gotta go pay for new tire sensors and stuff like that. And I'm like, damn, it's just a lot of money. But yeah, I had to go pay for new tires and stuff like that. So now I'm on my way back to go ahead and put the tires on. And they got Chick-fil-A open, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy. I might have to go to Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. But now, you know, I'm on my way back to go put these things on. Finally, he back here rolling. Look at him. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Real quick, how many times did I fuck up?
At least a good 3-4 times.
Like 25 times, bro.
Bruh, and it.
Ben Simmons.
Ooh.
Every shot was a miss.
Oh, every shot was a miss. Nah, but I'm on my way back to the tire shop right now, y'all. So we get these rims put on, man, and you know, I'm just mad because I'm spending all this money that I did not plan on spending at all. You know, so bad day. But like I said, y'all, man, if y'all really rock with me and y'all really support me, man, like this video. If you could watch an ad or two, and watch the whole video, because that helps me out a lot in the algorithm. If you really truly support me, and support everything that I'm doing. And like I said, if y'all want new mods and new content on the channel, the best way to do is to support me, and I could be able to provide that content. So on our way over there right now. Don't let people order food, man, and say you paying, because they gonna go crazy. But yeah, we up in here waiting. Look at him. Rub it on here. Ooh. Hey, look how you come on close to that food.
Yeah, hey, he don't play by the sauces, bro.
That's in cloth, bro.
Bro, that shit is hella good.
Wow.
Boy. Woo. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I had no problem saying it, bro. I already know the obvious, bro. I'm big, bro. I'm big by far, but this gotta be the biggest motherfucker I ever met. Him right here.
Wow.
Hey, when it come to him with food,
I'm about to fuck up these biscuits, bro.
oh, he got the biscuits in the back too. Dre, what you gonna do, bro?
No, the fuck you not.
Bro, they got like 12 pieces of chicken, 6 tenders, and he got a Coke, and he ain't got no drink.
Oh, man.
I give me a Powerade when I get home.
Bro, you gonna drink when you get home?
I ain't gonna eat my food now.
Oh, you not eating it right now?
I'll wait till I get home.
Oh.
Damn.
I'm gonna kick back.
Damn.
YouTube and shit.
I'm trying to tell you, bro. This nigga said I'm about to kick back and watch YouTube.
I ain't gonna lie, where am I gonna eat this at now?
1 out of 10 though for the biscuits.
10 out of 10, bro.
10 out of 10?
Hell, 10 out of 10, easy. Yeah. That shit was hella good, man.
They better than Red Lobster?
Oh yeah. Well, those are garlic.
That was the best biscuit I've ever had in my life.
For real?
Nah, I don't know about that.
I ain't gonna lie. I usually fuck with Church's biscuits, but them things was hella good,
It's
bro.
hella good.
Yeah.
Nah, man, this one was different, though.
Yeah, those ones different.
So different.
Where you going about food, y'all?
What the fuck they putting in that damn biscuit?
I don't
But
know,
anyways,
bro.
we're on our way to the
That's
tire shop.
Holy
Catch
shit.
her back in when we get to the tire shop.
The ones with the flashes, like.
Look them up now.
Damn, I seen, you know the rapper YD in down there?
So the rims is on, y'all. And I know I'm missing a lug nut. The other ones, I guess, had a wheel lock and we couldn't get it. So, that's how the way it looked. I'm gonna get one. I have to get some more lug nuts for this car because I don't really feel too comfortable driving with just 4, but this is how the way it's looking so far. Is it looking like a 05 or 06? I think so.
Exactly, they're like, I'm not gonna buy no big one.
How y'all liking the rims though, man? Rims look clean? Let me know in the comments, man. I got to drive them. It was a smooth drive and everything. Everything was cool, man. And y'all stay tuned because I got some plans that I plan on doing to these rims. You know what I'm saying? Got both of the cars out, man. Come on, I can't forget about the G37. She a little dirty though. It's a little dirty. It's iconic though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, let me just stand back like this. See? This is iconic, man. You got the 37 right here. And then you go to 35 with the original rims. I love these rims, man. I said when I get my car, get a 35, I gotta get those rims right here. So that's the real reason why I bought them. This is clean. I got the old rims in the front too. I mean, I got those old rims in the back. I don't know if you can see it back there. We at Mark House right now. You're gonna see if you want to buy them or not. So these are old things, man. New ones look way better than these. Way better. And for the future, we're gonna go ahead and put the YouTube banner up. The YouTube banner I made through my Instagram on here too. Doing something to the rim, so stay tuned for future videos. I want to tell y'all right now. Got some other stuff on the way, like I was saying earlier, for this car. So y'all just stay tuned, man. The G35 build is underway, and I got a vision what I want to do behind it. So for as of right now, this is my vision as of right now. So y'all stay tuned to future videos, man. Well, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, but this is it. This is the final look of the G. Like I said, stay tuned to future videos, because I got more what I plan on doing with these rims. It doesn't stop here, so stay tuned. And I'll catch y'all in the next upload. Peace.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.